This is what we're gonna do today. I bought this Type R spoiler for my NSX, and sadly it came a little damaged. And the company I bought it from, Vivid Racing, they're nice guys. They give me a good deal, but they're pointing fingers at the shipping company, and the shipping company say no, that's not a shipping damage, that's a factory damage. So at the end, I'm the one who's screwed. So I'm gonna try to fix this. I never done this before. This is a crack in a clear coat. I don't know how clear you can see it, but that doesn't want to focus. But yeah, there it is. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. But it seems like it's just the clear coat. So I'm gonna try to fix it. I watched some YouTube videos how to do it. People just do the green tape the way I did it around the damage area, do some light sanding with some 600 grit sandpaper. I have a 1000, 2500 for wet sanding. So I'm gonna start sanding with a 600. Oh, this looks scary. So scary. I'm trying not to sand the carbon fiber itself, just the clear coat I'm trying to take off. Wow, it looks so scary. Okay, so I sanded it off with 600 grit sandpaper, and I removed the tape, the green tape, and I cleaned it with some alcohol, 99% alcohol. Just had to wipe it off. So I think there's still some dust in a crack, but the surface actually smooth now. I can't really feel it. Here a little bit because a piece is missing. I use this to clean the computer with. It looks like I have some damaged clear coat still in a crack, so with this blade I will try to take it out, try to show you as much as I can. All this white stuff. If it's loose, it should come out now. For some reason I feel like I'm doing more damage than good. I'm trying not to damaging the fiber itself, because I don't want to do that. Okay, I'm gonna put some tape around the edges again, and I'm gonna sand it some more. And I'm still using the 600 grit sandpaper. In the YouTube video the guy was using 200 and 220. I'm just too scared to use that. I think it would be way too rough. And this is the product I will use. It comes with a hardener, and they say you have to mix it 1 to 1. Come with these cute little measuring cups, and on the back of the packages there are instructions what to do. So I will do it exactly the way they say. So the instructions say mix it 5 to 10 minutes. Now we try to do this with one hand, but it's gonna be a little bit hard. I really want the clear coat to get in there first. Guys, the reason why I'm doing this video, if it doesn't come out okay, then don't do it like this. I think the first coat is done. I have this little mini torch. I'm gonna use it, a little bit of a heat, not much, just to get the air bubbles out. Okay, I think that's enough. So here it is after 24 hours. First coat of clear coat. Honestly, I can't even tell where the crack was. It came out so nice. You can see the green tape that I removed. It left some marks, but I'm gonna clean it right now with some wet towel. And I'm gonna try to wet sand this with a 2500 grit sandpaper. I don't think I'm gonna do more coats like the people on YouTube, because I didn't sand off the clear coat completely like they did. I just scratched it, made it smooth a little bit, and I think one coat should do it, but we'll see after I start sanding it a little bit. But it's definitely a lot better than it was. So I'm already happy with the result. So let's clean this and let's start wet sanding. I cleaned it as much as I can from the sticky green tape. Now I'm gonna start wet sanding it with 2500 grit sandpaper. It is a lot better already, but I don't think the 2500 was good enough, so I moved up to 1000 grit sandpaper, and if I have to I will put another coat, but I don't think I will have to. This is how it looks like after I sanded with 1000 grit sandpaper. I sanded a little bit bigger than I thought I will. I even somehow ended up sanding up here, although the crack was down there. I don't know how did that happen. But as you can see, the crack is not there. There's some imperfections in there. It's not perfect. But I will sand it with the 2500 sandpaper, and after I will polish it. After sanding it with a 2500 grit sandpaper, wet sanding it, I'm very happy with the result. And now it's just time to polish it. Let's see how is that gonna look like. So I have some, what's this? Ultimate polish. I don't even know where it come from, but Let's try it. And I'm gonna hand polish it, and if it's not good enough, then I will use a machine. I have a buffer. So this is how it looks like after some hand buffing. And the reason why I didn't use a buffer, because not everybody has a buffing machine, and if you just have a little scratch to fix, you don't have to go buy a buffing machine. I just wanted to show you guys that you can do it by hand with some compound, and it came out really good. Epoxy resin is a very good product. It worked well with some wet sanding, some polishing compound, and the guys are good as new. I'm happy I didn't pay $400 for a body shop to fix this. I'm very happy with the results. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe so you wouldn't miss out on all the other videos, all the other first time stuff that I do, that I experiment on myself to see how would it come out if I would do it. So now I just gotta go and install it.